Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Google Keep account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. Click on Create an Account option. Choose what kind of account you want to create, whether it's for your personal use, business use, or for your child, and tap on it. Type in your first and last name, then click on Next. On the next page, enter your date of birth and gender and click on Next. Choose your email address from the given option or create your own and tap on Next. Now, create a strong password for your Google Keeps account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and tap on Next. Click on Show Password option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now, all you need to do is enter your phone number for verification and tap on Next. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter a verification code sent to your number, then click on Next. Type in a recovery email if you want to, or else you can also skip the process. Review your account information, then tap on Next. Scroll all the way down and click on I agree to agree to the terms and conditions of Google Keep. It will log you into your Google Keeps account in no time. This is how you can sign up for your Google Keep account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.